This video will teach you how to make PDF editable with Google Docs in your web browser. Upload a PDF to Google Drive. Open Google Drive in a web browser. If prompted, sign into your Google account. Click New in the upper left corner. Click File Upload. Select your PDF. Click Open. When the upload is complete, you will see One Upload Complete in the bottom right corner of Google Drive. Right-click the PDF in Google Drive. Hover over the Open With menu. Click Google Docs. This will convert the PDF to a Google Doc file and open it in Google Docs for editing. If the PDF contained a lot of charts, images, and special formatting, those elements may not display properly in the converted file. As a result, it may look like parts of the PDF are missing. Unfortunately, you will not be able to edit those parts in an editor like Google Docs. Edit the PDF as a Google Doc. Download the Google Doc as a PDF. Click File in the menu bar at the top. Select the Download menu. Click PDF Document. If prompted, click Save or OK to start the download. To get the best results when editing a PDF, use a PDF editing program. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for even more helpful tutorials.